Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite crashing on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here you need to search for Fortnite game folder, saved folder, config folder, Windows client folder. In here you need to right click on the game user settings and select delete it. After opening the game, this file will be recreated guys. Now you just need to go to config and double click on the crash report client folder. In here you need to select every folder listed over here and right click on it and delete it. After deleting it, you just need to go to saved folder and double click on the logs folder and delete everything listed over here. Right click on it and delete it. After deleting it, just close stuff here and now open up Epic Games and launch the Fortnite. After opening the game, you just need to press in keyboard escape key and go to settings gear icon. In here, change this window mode to full screen. After changing this full screen rendering mode, set this to performance. After selecting this, select apply to save changes. Select keep changes and select restart now option. Now your crashing issue should be fixed guys. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.